Everyone, welcome to Cloud Built Right. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to apply multi-factor authentication or MFA to your AWS account. But first, let's quickly go over what MFA is and why it's important. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you would like to watch more such content on AWS. So what is MFA? MFA or multi-factor authentication is a security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your AWS account. It's like a double lock on your door. The first lock is your password, and the second lock is something else that only you have, like a code from your phone. So why is MFA necessary? Think about it this way. Passwords can sometimes be guessed, stolen, or compromised. If someone gets hold of your password, they can easily access your AWS account and all the sensitive information within it. But with MFA, even if someone knows your password, they still can't get in without the second form of authentication. This makes it significantly more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access to your account. You might already be familiar with MFA from other scenarios. For example, many online services like email providers and banking apps use MFA to secure your accounts. When you log into your email or banking app, you might receive a text message with a code on your phone. AWS MFA works in a similar way, providing that additional layer of security. Now let's get started with setting up MFA on your AWS account. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, click on your account name at the top right corner of the screen. Note that I have logged in as a root user and I'll be setting up MFA on my root user account. Select Security Credentials from the drop-down menu. On the Security Credentials page, scroll down to the MFA section. Then click on Assign MFA Device. Give a device name. You then have three options for MFA devices. The first one is passkey or security key. This option allows you to authenticate using your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. You can create a passkey on your device or use another device like a FIDO2 security key. The next option is Authenticator app. This uses a smartphone or computer app such as Google Authenticator or Authy to generate a time-based code. These codes change every 30 seconds and provide a secure way to verify your identity. And the third option is Hardware TOTP token. This is a hardware device that generates a time-based one-time password. These devices are typically used in environments that require very high security. For this tutorial, we'll use an Authenticator app. Select that and click Next. To configure an Authenticator app, you need an app on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Click here to see a list of compatible apps for Android and iOS. You can download any one on your phone. Then click on Show QR code here. Then open the app you just downloaded on your phone and scan this QR code. After scanning the QR code, your MFA app will start generating authentication codes. Enter the first code here. Then after 30 seconds, the second code gets generated. Enter that here. Once you have entered the codes, click Add MFA. You should see a confirmation message indicating that MFA has been successfully enabled for your account. Now let's see how to log into your AWS account using MFA. Navigate to the AWS console login page. Enter your root email address and password as usual. After clicking Sign In, you will be prompted to enter the MFA code. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and enter the code displayed there. Then click Submit. And that's it. you have successfully applied MFA to your AWS account. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. But remember to keep your MFA device safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel to support me in making more such videos about AWS. Thank you for watching.